sins of my fathers weigh down my soul, and the pain of my mother I will not let go. But I know it comes with fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. And even though this life brings me so much pain, even so just to say, make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain down, Lord. Oh, make it rain. All seasoning water grows out the ground, but it just keeps on getting harder and hunger more profound. But I know it comes to tears from the eyes, and it means that I'll be in vain. And even though these tears come with so much pain, even so more the same. Make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain. Make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain. The seas are full of water. I stop by the shore, just like the riches of grandeur that never reach the poor. Let the clouds fill with thunderous applause, the lightning vibrates, fill the sky